Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend accounts and contact in Oracle Fusion CRM application. Using Application Composer, we can change many items or we can enable fields in the accounts page as well as in the contact page. So in the account ending page, in the create account page, in the added account page, you can add the fields, you can enable the fields, and you can change the items in that pages. For example, you can hide and show standard fields. You can set fields as required. You can set field default value, and you can change the column label. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable field in the detailed page layout. So let's move on to the application. So this is the home page of the application. So before we enable this field in the account page, we have to create one sandbox. So how to create sandbox? So click on this navigator, scroll down in the configuration part, click on that, click on these sandboxes. So this is the list of the sandboxes, and let's click on this create icon in order to create new sandbox. So let's input the name of the sandbox. So I'm going to enter BISP sandbox. Now we have to select tools for this sandbox. So I'm going to select application composer. Now click on this create and enter. So you can see over here, the sandbox gets created and the active sandbox display above the vision. You can see over here, this is the active sandbox. And this is the tool. You can add more tools over here by clicking this more icon. Now, click on this navigator and let's go to the application composer. So scroll down. And this in the configuration part, click on this application composer. So this is the application composer page. Now this is the object area which is enabled only when we create a sandbox. When we do not create a sandbox, then this is not enabled, this always disabled. Now click on this standard object. So we are going to enable fields in the account. So we have to extract this account. Click on that. Now click on this pages field. So now this is the account page. We have some tabs like application page, desktop page, and the Outlook page. So we have to ensure that we on the application page. So click on that application pages. And we are going to change, we are going to enable some fields in the detail page layout. So in the detail page layout, we have to select standard layout. This is the standard layout. We select this one and click on this duplicate detail page layout. So let's give the name of this layout. So I'm going to enter BISP account extend. Click on 7 edit. So this process enable you to hide and show the standard field, to enable the standard field, to set the field as required. So wait for a few minutes. It redirect to the page where you can enable the fields. Now in this window, we have to click on this account overview subtab. This overview in the detail page layout, we see the overview tab. So we are going to enable in the account overview subtab. So click on this edit icon. So this is the available field. We have to select one field from the available field and move it to the selected field. So I'm going to select the account type. Let's take one account type and move it to the selected field. So you can see over here, this is the account type in the selected field, and click on this save and close. If you want more field to move from the selected field, then you can do it as per the requirement. Now click on this done button. So if you want to add more field, if you want to enable more field, then you can go on the detail page layout and click on that and edit it and select the fields and move to the selected field. So let's see, let's move on to the account page and see the changes in the detail page layout. So click on this navigator, click on the cells and click on this accounts. So we don't have any account. So let's create one more. So I'm going to give the name of this account and click on this save and continue. So this is the detailed page layout. Now click on this overview. Because we enable the field in the overview tab. So click on that and then see the account type gets enabled. So whenever we give whenever you give the name, the type of account in the details of the account, then it will be show over here. So this is how you can extend the account page in the Oracle Fusion application. Same as you can enable the field in the contact page. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.